Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we have us a really cool ammo can that definitely does not have 800 rounds of linked 5.56 ammo. No, it doesn't. This is just some creative seller's way on Amazon to sell me a really cool ammo can full of MREs. Let's take a look. Alright, so late night and Amazon don't mix. If you should be asleep, do not be browsing Amazon, because you might end up with something like this. Now, to be fair, this is a real creative way of selling MREs. I really like this ammo can. It's bigger than a 50 cal can. I wish it had 800 rounds of linked 5.56 for what I paid for it, but no, it doesn't. It has MREs. And one thing I will say about this can is that the ammo can itself is in good shape. Like, it's not messed up. It doesn't really have any dents, doesn't have any, really bad parts on it. And it actually has an intact gasket, which, makes this can itself valuable. And like I said, the seller threw in some MREs, so what's not to like about it? And these are genuine U.S. military rations. This one is menu number 6, beef taco filling. Who is this? Who did this one? Warnick did this one. So this is the Warnick company. And this is a genuine military ration. It's the real deal. This isn't an aftermarket one. So yeah, beef taco filling. We got a Sapaco, menu number 10, chili and macaroni. And we got another Warnick company, menu 17, pork sausage maple. So yeah, these are good. And a lot of these, I know a lot of these do not have date codes on the bag. You have to actually open them up to get the contents. But you can just tell from the design on the bag and sometimes the menu item. You can go to mreinfo.com. I think Steve has something to do with that website. So you can go there and you can kind of look at the design on the bag and sometimes the menu item, and you can kind of get a really good roundabout of what year these menus were produced. And we got a AmeriQual. So yeah, we hit all three companies, man. We got Warnick, Sapaco, and now AmeriQual. And this is menu number 18, beef ravioli and meat sauce. And again, these are all genuine U.S. military MREs. Another AmeriQual. This is number 16, chicken burrito bowl. And finally, we got another AmeriQual. We got menu 21. This is tuna chunk light water pack lemon pepper. Another genuine MRE. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 genuine U.S. military MREs packed in an 800 round linked 5.56 ammo can. And like I said, this is bigger than a 50 cal can, and it's in very, very good shape. So kudos to the seller for not selling you one that's beat up and dented and rusted up and got holes all in it. And like I said, the gasket's even intact. So that's a pleasant surprise. And yeah, we got 6 genuine U.S. military rations. Oh wait, we got one that has a date code. What's the date code? 9294. So that would be the 294th day of... You guys help me out. Would that package be 2019 or... I don't think that would be 2009. Could it be 2019? Are you serious? Are these menus that fresh? Because 2019, man, that's a fresh ration. And wait a minute, we got a date code on this one too. So we don't have date codes on... I lied to y'all, man. I lied to you. We don't have a date code on this one. We don't have a date code on this one. Let's see, is there a date code on this one? Okay, I don't see a date code on this one. I do see a date code on... And there's not a date code on this one either. Or wait a minute. Ooh, it is, but it's real faint. It's really faint. But we do have a perfectly good date code on this one, 9289. And we got one on this one. What is this? 7, or no, wait, what is this? 9249. Did I just say that one? And 9289. So these two from, this one from Ameriqual and this one from, what is this? Who is this? Oh, both of these are from Ameriqual. These are both within a couple of days of each other, of 9294 and 9289. So you guys sound off. Let me know. I know there's a bunch of MRE experts out there. Are these from 2009 or 2019? Because if somebody is selling, because a lot of times, you know, when you buy MREs off of especially Amazon, you don't know what you're getting, man. You might have got some. There's no telling how old them things are. But anyway, yeah, this is just a product of a late night browsing Amazon. Get you in trouble. You'll get stuff like this in the mail. You'll be like, when did I order that? I don't know. I don't remember. Okay, well, this is what happens. So, yeah, if you're browsing Amazon, this is what you're going to get late at night. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs down if you didn't like it. Hey, subscribe to the channel. Got more videos coming out, and if you made it this far, thank you. And let me know any thoughts. Comment section down below. Let me know. See you in the next video. Peace.